Hi, second grade readers. Today we're going to talk about the difference between fiction and nonfiction texts. When you first learned about fiction and nonfiction in kindergarten and first grade, you probably learned that texts that were fiction are not real. Fiction stories are made up by the author. On the other hand, nonfiction texts tell about things that are real people, places, things, and events. But did you know that there are other ways to find the difference between fiction and nonfiction texts? For example, fiction text tells stories that have characters that are made up by the author, whereas nonfiction texts give you information or facts about real people. Fiction texts also have a setting where the story takes place, but nonfiction texts give information or facts about real places. Fiction texts also are stories that have drawings or illustrations. Nonfiction text will use charts, graphs, and photographs to explain the information it is telling you about. Fiction texts are stories that have a beginning, middle, and end and must be read in order. But nonfiction texts use the table of contents to help you find what you want to read and know about, allowing you to skip around to find information. Lastly, fiction texts often have a problem that the characters try to find a solution to. Nonfiction texts provide true information about how to do something or follow directions. So now when you're starting to read a new book, be thinking about, is my book a fiction or nonfiction text, and how do I know?